Happy Tuesday, everybody. Hope everybody had a good day. Welcome to another late night session. I'll just be going over some TA real quick. So basically, this is SPY, and this is the monthly chart. As you can see, we just been running up, making higher highs and higher lows. But if we zoom in a little bit, as you can see, we're finally starting to get our first monthly red candle. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green monthly candles in a row. We're finally starting to get a red one, but we still have to wait and let this play out because we still have about half of the month left, or a little less than half the month left to see how this plays out. If we go to the weekly chart, it's basically the same thing. We're just making higher highs and higher lows. But if we zoom in a little bit, you can see we're finally starting to shift and get a little bit of downside. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4 red weeks in a row. Hopefully we can get down to this 613, which is crazy because we were actually back in April down at 481 in the bear market, which was like, what, 7, 8 months ago? It's crazy. This run up is crazy. Let's look at the daily time frame. Let me pull my levels up really quick. So like I said yesterday, we're starting to have a little bit of structure shift. As you can see, we're making lower highs. This is your high, this is your lower high, and now we're also making lower lows. That's your low, and this is your lower low. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see it a little bit better. So yeah, the structure market is definitely starting to shift a little bit. Excuse me, the market structure is definitely starting to shift a little bit. Let's see. Let's go to the hourly so I can basically show y'all what I'm watching today. So basically, well, not today, but tomorrow. So basically what I'll be watching tomorrow is that's what I'll be watching tomorrow. So the 661, 63 level is a big area. So basically I'll be watching a pop in the 661, 663 level and a reject down into 652. I feel like that's valid. Or we can pop back into the 663, retest and take it back up, and that's valid. So that's basically my main watch on SPY tomorrow. 663, 661 is the key levels right here. So we're either gonna fade it or we're gonna pop through it. Same thing with Qs, it's basically identical to SPY. Main key levels is 597 and 600 level. If we pop back in here into this 600 level, to this 600 level right here, I'll be looking for a short down into 590. If we pop into 600, get above it, retest it, you can probably take us back to 613. So that's what I'll be watching on Qs. This is your key levels. This 597, 600 is it's a big level right here. Google, still the same levels. 687. So you can wait for a pop into this 687 for a high risk reject, or you can wait for a pop and a breakthrough and wait for the retest of 287 and take it back up, or you could wait for the 274, 271. You could take that for a demand bounce, or I don't know what's going on. Hold on. This thing is just getting on my nerves. I don't know what be going on with this. Okay, there we go. I suck at this. I promise I'm gonna get better, y'all. Or like I said, or this zone right here on Google is nothing but a big chop fest. You don't want to get caught in this. So this is a no trade zone. All this is a no trade zone. So you can wait, like I said, for this demand bounce right here, or you can wait until we fail this 274, 271 area. Once we break 271, get in underneath 271. That's valid. All right, Amazon. We hit this big key level. The bottom of this earnings move on on Amazon is 222. So basically what I would be watching on Amazon is a relief bounce back up here to the 232, 234 area, or you can just keep riding the downside and wait for us to break this 222 and take it down into the 211. That's a level that I have. As you can see, this is a big level. So that's kind of what you can do. Anything in here, I know this is a wide range, but I wouldn't touch anything in here. This is my opinion. Wait for this to break, or wait for this to break down. That's how you would want to trade that. Tesla, this 400 level is still a big level, I think. So what I will wait for is a reject of this 400 level, take it into 380, or you could take a high risk short off of 410, take it back into 400, or you can wait for this 410 to pop, take the retest, and take it back up to 422. But that's just basically what I'm watching on Tesla. It's pretty simple. Yeah, I think if Tesla loses its 397, we're definitely going back to 380. Yeah, we're definitely, we can go to 367. 367 is definitely in play. If Tesla closes below 400 tomorrow, I would swing puts for about a month or two out and see if we can get that 367 retest. That would be nice. That would actually be nice. But yeah, that's what I'm watching on Tesla. Apple, very simple. I'm waiting for this 266 to break. So something like this, a break, retest, take this all the way back down into 260. Or you could play this for a reject, it's 276, and ride it down. Or you could wait and see if we pop. If we pop, break this 276, you take the retest, and you can ride it back up as well. Something like that is valid. But you don't want to trade in this zone right here. This is a no trade zone. This is unwanted noise. You'll get chopped and lose all your money. You don't want to trade in there. So yeah, that's basically Apple. Nvidia, I'm not really touching Nvidia because they have earnings, so the contracts are going to be super juiced up, so it's pointless to even trade it. But they are expecting a big move, in my opinion. If we break this 179, 176 area, we're going straight to 165. It's just my opinion. If we have good earnings, if we break this 190, 191, we'll probably go back up to about 200 or so, or maybe even all-time highs. Who knows? I really don't know. It's earnings, so it's pretty much like flipping a coin. So I ain't even gonna really do too much on Nvidia. Man, AMD was a banger today. I caught AMD. Show you what I did. Yesterday I told y'all about this 235 failure. If we fell 235, that it was gonna be over with, and that's exactly what happened. So basically what I did was, as soon as we broke this 235 level, I literally rode it all the way to this 225 level to level move, which is perfect. And I could have flipped longer and took it right back up, but it's hard to flip long from short that quick. But yeah, so basically what I'm watching on AMD is a failure of this 225 down into 227, or you could take another bounce to 235 to 240, or you could wait for the 235 to reclaim, wait for the retest, and take it back up as well. You can do that. But anything in here is a no trade zone. I wouldn't trade nothing in here. It's just my opinion. I wouldn't trade nothing in here. But yeah, that's it. Like I said, a break, right? Or pop, retest. Microsoft was trying to fill this 492. As you can see, this 492 is a huge level right here. This is huge. So what you can do on Microsoft is let me zoom in. You can wait for this 492 to fill again and take it down into 481. Or you could take this demand bounce and take it into 512. Or you can wait for this 512 to pop, take the retest, and take it back up to 522. Pretty simple, right? But what you don't want to do is trade in this area. You don't want to trade nothing in this area. This is a no trade zone. I'm trying to prevent y'all from losing money. These no trade zones, you want to avoid them as much as possible. Meta is still freaking dead, but Meta held on to this long-term trend line. As you can see, this trend line goes all the way back to October 2022. So it's hanging on for dear life, and it hung on today. As you can see, it we bounced right off of it. Well, not right off of it, but close to it. So this 586 is a big key level. So basically what I would do with Meta is wait for this 586 to break, short it down into 585. That's what I would do. Or you could wait for this 601 to break, take the retest, and take it back up to 620. But anything in here, it's a no trade zone. Do not trade this. Please don't trade this. That's really it. It was kind of quicker today. I'm kind of getting a little bit better. I'm still all over the place a little bit, but I'm trying to learn these shortcut keys. Let's look at the NASDAQ really quick. I've been trying to trade my prop firm, see if I can get a payout. NASDAQ actually looks good for lower. I could actually see us getting down into this area right here. Not that area, but this area right here. This 158, 24.072 area. So that looks good. So I could see us doing something like this. Come up in here, fail, hit this, right? Or we can reclaim this, come up in here, and then go back down. You know, like it's a bunch of stuff that can happen. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm just giving you guys my input and what I think. But basically that's it. Hope everybody have a good day, and good luck. Don't do nothing crazy. Wait for your setups and trade them. Control your risk. Peace, love.